So you ready, brother? Here it is. Show me the money.
So Turbotax launched a free online portal that help people who don't file taxes get their stimulus check faster. And this launched yesterday on Saturday the 4th, I believe. Either April 5th or April 4th, probably April 5th, 2020. Now, the way this explains how it works, you would think it was for entering your direct deposit information if you already filed 2019 taxes or 2018. So let's get into this article right quick. Okay, the tax preparation company now has the stimulus registration web page where low-income Americans can submit their current direct deposit information. So that makes you think, well, if I filed my 2019 and I received a check on my tax return, well, I can go here and put my direct deposit information in to the IRS so they'll know where to send the stimulus or a mailing address to receive their stimulus payment. The product is free to use and includes a stimulus payment calculator to find out how much you'll be getting. That goes on to say 10 million Americans who are not required to file taxes, or there are 10 million Americans who are not required to file a tax return. The company said in a press release because the IRS was used as federal return. I don't even think the website does that. There are 10 million Americans who are not required to file a tax return. So is that, the website is not for 10 million people who aren't required to file a tax return. It doesn't seem like that. The company said in a press release because the IRS will use the federal return So you are filing a tax return when you use this web portal. But in short, this website is not to file to send your bank information in to the IRS so they'll know where to send your stimulus. This website is more to file your taxes. Then they'll include the stimulus payment in it. Because both options on the screen simply just files your taxes one way or another. It doesn't let you enter the bank information after you have filed your taxes, as this article states. So that's the point of this video, but just be on the lookout. Call IRS if you want to give updated information, see if you can give updated information that way. Or let's see if they actually bring out a real portal that people who already filed 2018 or 19 want to include updated bank information. But you would think this would be the site, the way this article is written, and it's not. So this has been Awkward Occurrence or Awkward Entertainment, and I will see you in the next video.
Say that. Say it with me one time, Jerry. Show you the money. Oh, no. You can do better than that, Jerry. I want you to say it what you would mean it, brother. Hey, I got Bob Sugar on the other line. I better hear you say it. Yeah, no. Show you the money. Not show you. Show me the money. Show me the money. Yeah. Louder. Show me the money. That's it, brother. But you got to yell that shit. Show me the money. I need to feel you, Jerry. Show me the money. Jerry.
Okay, so with the new TurboTax 2020 Coronavirus Tax Center, you have two options. Option one, if you haven't filed your taxes yet this year, you can file with TurboTax, and you're guaranteed your stimulus as soon as possible. Option number two, you would think option number two would be if you already filed taxes, but you want to add direct deposit information to the IRS database. Option number two. So let's read. If you're not required to file taxes and don't receive Social Security benefits, use our free stimulus registration for non-tax filers to give the IRS your up-to-date mailing address and direct deposit banking info. So that last line, you would think for non-filers to give IRS your up-to-date mailing address and direct deposit info. You would think that's the option you would choose. So choosing that option is like choosing option number 1 to file your taxes. It just asks for tax information from 2018. Somehow they pull up 2019, and then it sends you an email saying you already filed your taxes. So it's not an updated portal. It's not a portal to update your bank information. It's a portal. They both are portals to file taxes. Because option number 1, file taxes. Option number 2, you would think different. But you're just going to get a letter from Turbotax 40 minutes later saying you've already filed your 2009 taxes and your tax return was rejected because of that reason. All right.
Jerry, you better yell. Show me the money! Show me the money! Give me love this black man! I love black people! I love black people! Who's your motherfucker, Jerry? You, my motherfucker!